showcase drives culture use bamboo solar sets globally, displaying how the eco-friendly furniture transcends geographical boundaries. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 In this video you can see bamboo wood furniture ideas to decor our home. Engage with your audience with addressing common questions about bamboo solar cells, create a scene and community interaction. Summarize key texts and discuss potential furniture trends in the bamboo solar sets, leaving viewers excited about evolving world sustained furniture. So if you are new here, please like the video, click the subscribe and share to your friends. Begin your day advance by crafting rustic wooden tray. This versatile piece can serve as a stylish centerpiece of your coffee table or furniture addition in your kitchen. Choose reclaimed wood for an artistic touch and experiment with the different finishes and achieve the desired rustic charm. Consider adding a headrest for both aesthetics appeal and practical. Transform bare walls into functional display and modern shelves or perfect display. Plants, books, or decorative items customize the size and finish of match your decor style. Install theme and straps for the eye-catching arrangement on. Keep it minimalist with a single statement shelf. Elevate your indoor greenery with a dye wooden plant stand. This project not only showcases your favorite planters but also adds a touch of nature to any room. Experiment with the different wood types and shapes. Create a stand that complements your plant collection. A stylish display of the breathes life into your living space. Your artist side by crafting your own wood wall art. Create geometrical patterns, abstract design, or even personalized word or design a paint wouldn't match your color, scheme, or voila. You got a unique piece of art that reflects your creativity. This project is a fantastic way to add personal touch to your home decor. Give your coffee table chic makeover with a dye wooden coasters featuring design. This project allows you to play with color patterns and textures. Choose a wood type of complement with a decor. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.